campus in 1957. That was my first day of coaching and teaching, was at Little Rock Central.
He talked about the experience of being on campus and being a part of that school when they integrated.
I showed up in the summer and became more aware that, well, it was a bigger deal than I thought, the integration. There may be some problems because immediately we all had to have special IDs in order to get into the school on first day of school. But still, we weren't aware that a lot of controversy was going to happen.
He has seen the tremendous change in the 60-something years since he was on that campus in 1957.
And there were some National Guard had been called out to make sure that it was a peaceful entrance to the school. What their instructions was not to admit these 9 students into Central High.
It took a lot of hard decisions, a lot of leadership, a lot of people sacrificing many things so that we would have what we have today. That's the reason why we have someone like Coach Hart.
If you know anything about the military, the Second World War, they're called the Screaming Eagles. They were a very famous paratroop unit. When they showed up, it became real business then. They immediately admitted these 9 youngsters into the school, and school began. That year, the principal of the school, he would call the coaches after midnight, normally 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning, to search for bombs. So we go up to the school and we start searching lockers. You look at 1,500, 2,000 lockers in that school, a big auditorium. Some of us said, we'll go to the auditorium, and we looked under the seats, we looked in the closets. Others were opening lockers. And luckily, we've never been able to do it, except majority of those kids never locked their lockers. If we found a bomb, what were we going to do? But we opened it because we had to be able, or the principal, to justify opening school the next day. So we never had a closed day of school because the coaching staff, the trouble I saw was not with the students. It was the parents and the people that had come out to agitate. If it had just been left up to the student body, that situation would have gotten taken care of a lot quicker than it did.